Salads need crunch, and croutons are an easy answer. You can turn your stale bread into something crunchy and delicious without too much effort at all. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Step 2. Grab some bread. It doesn't have to be stale, but it can be. You can use sandwich bread, old baguette, burger buns, hot dog buns, whatever you have around. I stack my slices and cut them into cubes with a serrated bread knife, and I recommend doing that way. But you can also just tear the bread up with your hands or your paws like a raccoon. That'll work just fine, and you can call it rustic. Throw all your bread into a large mixing bowl. Then, in a smaller bowl, combine the following: 1 teaspoon granulated garlic, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon onion powder, a half teaspoon of cumin, and a half teaspoon of smoked paprika. Mix all that together and set it aside for just a minute. Now this is how I do it. If you don't like the garlic, you don't like the cumin, you can skip it. Or skip all of it and just use a chili powder blend. Or use nothing at all but a little salt and pepper. It's your salad. Get yourself one of these spray thingies of oil. It can be olive, vegetable, canola, avocado. It all works, and you don't need much. You're going to give the bread a few quick blasts, just enough so your herbs and spices will stick to it. Then sprinkle in as much of your seasoning blend as you like. Toss it and drop it onto a sheet pan lined with parchment. Put all this in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Check on it, shake them up a bit, and give them some more time if your croutons aren't toasty enough for you. I'm still wearing my glasses. And when they're done, they're done. You just made homemade croutons, and you should feel good about that. Grocery store croutons are junk food. This is toast. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. If I was able to help you out today, you can help me by smashing subscribe and clicking like. Have a great salad. Peace.